For materials, you will need a cupcake pan, measuring cups plus spoon, bowl, spatula, and a plate/fork. The ingredients are 3 bananas, an egg, flour, baking soda, butter, salt, sugar, and baking powder. First, peel the 3 bananas. Then mash them up and place in bowl. Add 1/2 cup of white sugar. Crack the egg and whisk it. Pour into your bowl. Mix. Next, melt the stick of butter in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Pour it into your bowl. Mix it. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. Next, mix the batter. Then, place in cupcake holders. Next, pour in the batter. Set timer for 20 minutes. And place into the oven. After the 20 minutes is up, take them out of the oven and let them cool for about 5 minutes. This is our final product of banana muffins.